In the name of God. Hello, my dear friends. I'm Rosa, and it's the third video of teaching how to make a knotted cushion. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut the fabrics. I want to make a two-color knotted cushion, as you see in this photo. What do we need? We are starting at first. We need two colors of Korean velvet fabrics. It's the first color. It's gray, and as you see, it's stretchy from the width of the fabric, and it does not stretch from this length. And it's the yellow one or golden fabric. This one has a good quality too. We need a pattern for cutting the fabric. This is my pattern. It's about 17 centimeters width and 80 centimeters length, about 80 centimeters. I use these to measure how much should I cut. First of all, I cut the gray fabric. Also, we need scissors and a tape, paper tape. At first, I should explain for you that the width of this fabric is about 160 centimeters. I fold it and I put the edges together this way. And put it on the table in this way, as you see. These two edges are on each other, and this edge of the carpet is here in the bottom of our works. Then with the pattern, for this fabric 17 centimeters is enough. I put the pattern in the edge, and with this tape I cut it about 18 centimeters here, and put it in the fabric, on the fabric. Yeah. This is about 1 centimeter is enough, and it's ready for cutting. Instead of using the tape, you can use a pen or a soap pen. One of the parts are ready, is ready. I put it here and I put the pattern on this fabric, and again I cut another tape. I need a 1.5 gray braid and 1 complete yellow. Cut again. I cut the this one from the mid because I just need 1.5. So we end the cut of gray fabric. Now I'm going to cut the yellow fabric for you. I put it on the table, fold it once and put it on the table as you see. I use the pattern that its width is 17 centimeters. Put it in the edge, and this tape will show where should I cut. So the width of the fabric that I cut is 17.5 centimeters. I cut this one. We just need one length of yellow fabric. In the next step, I'm going to show you how to sew the fabrics to make a braid. Good luck! So what do we have now? We have 1.5 gray and 1 yellow. These three together had a length about 410 centimeters. That is enough for this knotted cushion that I'm showing you. It's enough for that. So we need a braid that its length is 410 centimeters.